So I'm just walking around with my socks on and two different colored socks today. But nice beautiful day. Special treat for you guys. Look at this beauty. Z28 second gen Camaro.
Real talk, just Scat Pack, but besides that, nobody I trust.
Back again like I never left. Young and I said that's to the death. We turned up till we go deaf. Rap pack till my last breath. I cut records like Kid Cudi. Day and night, that's all the time. From the underground to the mainstream, my same team get all the shine they wanna be.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name is Alan. This is Driven Daily. If you guys haven't already, smash that subscribe button. And if you guys like the video, just smash the like button. Don't forget to tap the little notification bell, of course, so you guys know when my videos go live. I do a lot of car meet videos and stuff like that. Next week we're actually going to Lowe's meet. Haven't in a while. If it's nice weather, we'll go. So today we're talking about is this vehicle a good daily driver? So it does average about 15 miles per gallon or so. My Camaro did about 17 miles per gallon. So I mean, definitely this guy does a little bit better in gas, but I'm still having to fill up a lot. So if you guys got to pay to play, if you guys are gonna step on it all the time, go crazy, kind of like I do, rev it, all that stuff, be expected to pay more gas. Okay, so it's just the way it is. You drive a V8, you're gonna be paying more in gas. If you like to have fun with it, and of course I do. I don't like to drive it like a grandma. I like to hear that goddamn mid-muffler delete exhaust in the back because it sounds nasty, and I enjoy it. So now we got that out of the way. The seats are very, very comfortable. The seats are friggin' awesome. Very, very comfortable. And yeah, it's awesome. My back doesn't hurt, just like my old 5th gen Camaro did when I drove it for long distances. So it's awesome. And also, guys, in this vehicle, reason why it's also a good daily driver, hit the super track back button. Now, I believe I didn't have this eco mode. I don't think I did. I didn't really look, but when I have the taser can unlock this for you when you order the taser. It's just something that goes in an OBD port down there. I've made a video about it. I'll probably do another one just saying my review on it, my couple months review on it. But right now we're in eco mode, so you can have an eco mode to save a bit of gas, which is pretty good. You got custom, you can do custom, sport, of course, track mode unlocked with the taser. You only get sport mode in the 16 Scat Pack, which I own, but I always drive it in track because I like to hear the rumble and the noise and all that stuff. And I'm actually really, really excited right now, guys, because a new bitchy neighbor just moved in right there, and she knocked on the door. She was super rude, and so I'm also really excited for my 5 o'clock in the morning cold start. I just really excited. So now that we got that out of the way, we're gonna go for a drive to my mom's place. It is my birthday tomorrow. We're having my birthday dinner tonight. We'll go for a little drive, and maybe I'll show you her 2nd gen Camaro. It's really nice for people that like older vehicles. It's really nice, and so we'll check it out. So let's go ahead. So when you're driving like this kind of car, it shows up the speedometer, like how fast I'm going in the middle, and I rarely ever look at this anymore. Like ever look at it. I always have this on. I don't know. Times have changed, I guess. I don't know, I rarely look at it. I remember old vehicles, I'd always look at that, but it's like I just don't anymore. I don't know. Comment below if you guys have the speedometer kind of in the middle of the dash screen, and you guys don't ever look at the the ones on the right there. So let's go. Let's roll down. Well, we got the top open. I'm gonna hold this guy on here. So rumbly too, and if you guys get the 6.4 liter V8 or even this the 5.7 liter, get the mid muffler delete, guys. What a difference in sound this can make for the Dodge Charger, and also it goes out just a tad faster than the usual. Opens it up more, adds a little bit more horsepower, and it really goes. Another real cool thing about this mid muffler delete, if you guys have it in first gear and you kind of just drive it and you get it up to, you know, the RPMs up just a little bit, then you let off the gas, it makes a gurgling sound, like a popping sound, and it's really loud. It sounds like a gunshot. It's actually really cool. So so my Scat Pack comes with 487 horses, which is a lie. It's actually 490 horse. I've tested it on the, I got in my performance pages, I can show how much horse I'm putting out, and I've maxed it out to 490. So 487 is kind of just maybe just a baseline, but it does do 490, so it's right below 500, which is very nice. And this car is the little brother of the Hellcat. So if you guys don't want the big beefy 707 or the 797 horse per car, which is, who doesn't want that, then I mean, then you can get the Scat Pack and you're still having just as much fun. But there will be a Hellcat on this channel, and I said that before, and that is my 100% dream car, and I want it. Hellcat Challenger. It's gonna happen. I don't know when, don't know how, it'll happen. I just gotta, you know, work hard, hustle, kind of like I have been doing, and I'm gonna get it. So, kind of just like how I got this car. I've always wanted a Charger, and I got it. So, well, I've always wanted a 6.4 liter Charger with a Hemi in it, and I got it. So, I mean, if you want something bad enough, you'll get it. So don't ever give up on your dreams. All right, guys, I'm gonna cut the video here real quick, and I'll see you guys on the twisty road. All right, guys, so we're trying to catch up to the wife here. She's taking the same route as I am. So this is my favorite little drive here. So we're gonna have a little bit of fun for you guys before I get to my mom's place. I think she's trying to, oh yeah, she's running. She's running away. And I mind you guys, this thing handles decently around corners for a heavy car. Very well around corners. There she is. She's got the Chrysler 200. So we at least got some Dodge products in the family. helped her kind of pick it out. She wanted something with gas friendly, and it does decent on gas. Like, mind you, it's not bad for a V6. Oh, sorry, sweetheart. I love you. Oh. All right, guys. I'll see you guys back at my mom's place. That was a lot of fun. How do you feel in defeat?
It was fun.
Charger definitely performed well on that one. Alright guys, so special treat for you guys. Look at this beauty. Z28 2nd gen Camaro. Trying to get a better angle because it's kind of squished in here. But the thing is in mint, absolute mint condition. Definitely for this type of car and the year. So like, just look at the detail, you know, a nice hood scoop, and I believe that is functional. Let's have a walk around to the, we're getting hit by a bunch of spiders. I think it's open. No, it's locked. But yeah, look at that, guys. It's just so mint inside. I can't really show you the inside very well, but hopefully you guys can kind of see it. Maybe we'll try the other door and see if it's unlocked. But yeah, she's a beaut. She's a beaut. A couple dead bugs on there. Look at those functional air vents on the side. Everything's all metal. Everything's all compact. So, real nice car. I'm not even gonna be able to fit on that side actually. So, but anyways, we're gonna get out of here. There's a lot of mesquites in here. But yeah, she's pretty mint, guys. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and close up the video here. Guys, without further ado, that's pretty much why this car is a great daily driver. It's comfortable, it's fast, as you guys can see in the videos. We had a little fun little tiny race between me and the wife. It's really fun. I got 490, she's got about maybe 200 less for the horse, but still a lot of fun. She likes to have fun when we cruise. So anyhow guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and just tap the little notification bell so you guys know when my videos go live, go out, so you guys stay up to date with the channel and all the things that are going on. I'm going to try and get out to some car meets next weekend, so definitely stay tuned guys. And yeah, hope you guys are enjoying the content so far. Nice crisp video quality. The microphone is actually on its way for the camera, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.
Oh, yeah.